So from time to time, I get some very lovely comments on the YouTube channel from people who want to tear me down. And this happens to everybody on YouTube. There's different types of people who watch YouTube videos. One type of person, they're looking to just be entertained and have fun and kill time. They're bored. Another type of person, maybe they're bored, but also they want to learn. They want to educate themselves. They want to grow. And then I would say the third type of person, I don't know, they don't feel good about themselves. Maybe they're miserable with their lives. Maybe they want to tear other people down. And got a comment from a person who essentially said, Steve, you're a joke, you're a clown. They pointed out the fact that my YouTube channel doesn't get that many views anymore. And it's true. Like, my videos barely get any views. And he was pretty much knocking me down and laughing at me and, just pretty much just trying to make me feel bad. I don't know why people do that from time to time, especially on my channel. I mean, I put nothing out but just value, and I share my journey, and I share the ups and downs, the wins, the losses, the good and the bad. I'm not here selling dreams. And, for anyone who's been following me over the 3,000 videos, sometimes I get pumped up about things, and, I share the greatest parts of selling on Amazon. Then other times I'm down in the dumps and I share the downsides, right? I share opportunities, good and bad. And I don't know, some people just want to kind of tear you apart and make you feel like crap. And this person was pretty much just laughing at me for the fact that, I'm only getting 800 views and I have 200,000 subscribers. Pretty much saying you're a clown, you're a scammer. Nobody cares about your stuff. They're not buying it. He said, no one's buying it anymore, Steve. And it makes me laugh for a couple of reasons, because there's a couple different types of people in this world I've noticed. And when it comes to this person commenting, all I could say is there's people like me, and then there's people like you. There's people like me who do their best to provide value. I'm a flawed human being just like everybody else, but I do my best to add value. I've been consistent on YouTube for over 10 years. I can't control the fact that YouTube's not pushing out my videos. I mean, I can in a sense. I mean, I can make different types of content. I could flip my whole life upside down and spend 20, 30 hours a week on YouTube, but I don't want to do that. I know what it takes if I wanted to be successful on YouTube and really get my channel growing again, but I'm just not committed to it. To be 100% honest, I don't have the motivation, I don't have the desire, and that's okay for everybody. Maybe in your Amazon business, your eBay business, or whatever, you could grow it, right? But you're like, I don't know if I really want to do that. Maybe you're not ready for it. And it could be limiting beliefs. But the reality is, my YouTube channel doesn't get that many views anymore, and I can't control it if YouTube's shadow banning me or not showing my videos, because it doesn't make any sense. Some of my videos, honestly, I have 200,000 subscribers, and in some of the videos, it gets 300, 400, 500 views. Who knows? Maybe people just aren't interested in that content. Maybe YouTube's not pushing it out, so on and so forth. Who knows? Maybe everybody thinks I'm a scammer. I don't know, but all I've done over the years is try to do my best to share value and, share the good, the bad, the ups and the downs. And maybe I'm not the best YouTuber, which is fine, but guess what? There's a difference between me and you, the commenter. I do my best. I try to provide value. I've made over 3,000 videos. I've helped hundreds of thousands of people. Yeah, maybe I'm not the biggest YouTuber anymore, but I'm okay with that, right? I'm fine with that. I am perfectly fine with the fact that I don't get a ton of views on YouTube. And matter of fact, in the last month alone, matter of fact, that was a subscriber who just drove past me. I'm at the gym right now, and this guy, he's an Amazon seller, so hey. But I got 85,000 views on YouTube in the last month. But guess what? On Facebook, I got over 2 million views. On TikTok, I got over 2 million views. On Instagram, I think it was over 3 or 4 million views. I think it was over 5 million views. I had a video that got 7 million views last month. So, sometimes things just aren't going to go the way that you want them to go. And on YouTube, they're not really going the way that I want them to go, but I'm fine with it, right? And that's the difference between me and you. I still try to provide value. I still try to do my best. Yeah, I'm not investing as much time as I used to into YouTube because I'm not getting as many views. But guess what? Even with a small channel, and this is another difference between me and you, the commenter, I don't get a lot of views on YouTube, but I still make really good money through affiliate marketing. I have some courses that I sell. I have a membership site. Last year, I made over 6 figures in profit, multiple 6 figures. And I can't say it's from my YouTube channel, but I have an email list. I have other social media. So while you're laughing at me, trying to make me feel bad, I have multiple income streams. And guess what? I don't need to make money from YouTube. That's another difference between me and you. You probably think that YouTubers, like, the only way they make money is getting views. Like, views is the least amount of money that you're going to make if you have skill sets in terms of internet marketing, because there's affiliate marketing, there's sponsorships, you can build your own products, your own courses. But you, the commenter, and I know who you are with 4 subscribers, you don't have any skills probably. The only skill you probably know, and no offense, right, this used to be my only skill, is you probably only know how to go to the thrift store and put an item on eBay and sell it. That's probably the only skill that you have, and that's fine. But you don't need a lot of views to make good money. So it's funny how people try to knock other people down for not getting a lot of views, but you don't even see the whole picture. Like I said, 1% of my views throughout all my social media was YouTube. And guess what? Even if I only got 20 views, I would still make these videos, because for me, I enjoy them. I really do enjoy them. And even though I don't get a ton of views anymore, I've made some really good friends and close connections, and business partners and partnerships and investments I've made has been because of having a YouTube channel and having the credibility. And while not everybody likes me, and maybe some people hate me, it is what it is. That's how life goes. I mean, my life, it's funny, if I look at my life right now, the majority of my really, really close friends are all because of my YouTube channel, right? It's pretty incredible. So another difference between me and you is I don't just do things for money. Some people, and again, I'm just talking to this commenter, some people, they think the only way or the only reason someone's doing something is to make money. I don't need to make money from YouTube. Of course, I want to make money, and any smart business person would find ways to be able to add value, to be able to make money. And then some people are going to say, oh, you're making money off of your audience. Listen, bozo. The only reason someone's going to give you money and consistently give you money is if you're providing a service that offers value. A lot of you guys, it's funny, you know, you come into this world of making money online, and you don't understand like the main principle of how you make money with whatever you do, from YouTube to creating products and services, selling products. It's all about value. The only reason someone's going to give you money is if they feel like it's worth it for them to give you the money, like they're going to get more value in one form or another. But a lot of you guys still don't understand that, which is really interesting. But yeah, that's my rant for today. But that's the difference between me and you. Not everybody watching, but this guy who commented and people who make that comment, I don't do it just for the views. Do I want to get a ton of views? Heck yeah. Why? Because I could influence more people in good ways, hopefully. I could share, you know, the knowledge that I've learned over the last 11 years. And while you're sitting there commenting and trying to knock somebody down, you're talking to a person who literally was $23,000 in debt, who was living at their parents' house over 10 years ago, who had no skills, who had no knowledge, who had just gotten arrested and gone to jail. And I changed my whole life and became a millionaire. And now I can do what I want when I want. Now, I'm not like made for life, right? My net worth isn't that high, but I'm so proud of myself. And, you know, sometimes I got to make these videos to kind of humble some of these commenters who think they know me. You don't know me at all. You think you know me from a YouTube video. You think you could take me down with a nasty little comment. But sometimes, again, people are going to say, like, you shouldn't be wasting your time with this. Sometimes you got to stand up for yourself in life, and you got to prove to people, hey, listen, I know where I came from, and I know where I am now, and you ain't going to stop me. So that is what it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, or maybe not, but yeah, this is a good mic. I just got this brand new mic. I don't know if you could see it. This thing is cool. If you guys record videos, this is a cool little system I got. It's called a Newer. Let me see what it's called. Neewer. You could probably see that. It's does it have a model number on here? Yeah, it's the CM28. This thing is so cool. It plugs right into your phone, the transmitter, and then you get the little wireless mic, and it automatically connects. This thing is fantastic. It's so good. Yeah, I think you could. Let me see if where's the camera right here. Yeah, it's the CM28. This thing is so awesome. So hopefully the quality is a little bit better, but yeah, guess what? I'm probably going to continue making more videos. Why? Because I love helping people. And thanks for the comments, guys, the good, the bad. I know this channel's kind of dying, but I still love sharing my journey and sharing the ups and downs. And I know I'm going to look back at this in 10, 15 years and learn a lot from it. Just like yesterday, I was watching videos from 8 years ago when my net worth was $100,000. And I was like, damn, I've come so far. I've 10, 12x more than that, my net worth. And it was interesting kind of hearing how I was talking and my mindset. And yeah, there's a lot of value in having a YouTube channel. It's not about making money and views. It's great, but there's other points. So that's the difference between me and you.